Now we're gonna do the refill method. So I'm using this hacky, I guess, heat gun that we use for heat shrink. We do have a reflow station. You may have one at home, and I highly recommend using that. But I just want to show you that this works also, and it's the exact same principle. One of the things I like about using reflow station is that you can control the strength and of course the temperature, which is actually extremely important in most cases. In this one, it's not that bad. None of our components are extremely sensitive, but pretty much it'll be hard to see in the video, but here we go. So it's gonna be really loud, but you wanna keep it up pretty high to start melting everything. One thing you wanna be careful with is that you don't blow away the components. When you start to see the shine or start to get kind of glossy, you can bring down the heat gun. I highly recommend having a pair of tweezers on hand also, in case some of the components start to run away. Alright, very soon you should start to see it turn. Nothing here is turned yet, but it should be very soon I can start to see it change color. Oops, so my LEDs are running away. Alright, it's hard to see, obviously I'm blocking it, but they're starting to turn. Alright, these are all done here. Okay, so as you guys can see, I apologize, I was blocking the view the whole time, but I was doing it at an angle, I was starting to push off the LEDs, so I had to go directly above it, which is what you should do. But everything's kind of soldered. Probably could have put a little bit more solder on some of the pads here, but that'll be fine. You can always touch it up later with an iron. Don't touch the board now, it'll be extremely hot. But it looks like everything is on there and it's seated pretty well. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully not too bad. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is solder the through-hole components, and we'll use a regular standard soldering iron to do that, and some of the technique getting those on there and getting them on flush and making it just look beautiful.